So here we are in Mexico, Guadalajara, and what we are doing chocolate with Liza. So Liza, can you tell us what you are using, what kind of ingredients?
Yes, so Eva brought us some products, some of them. I think we can find it here, but some of them no. We have cacao butter, we have cacao powder, we have lucuma, this one, and mezquite powder. And then we put a tablespoon of honey, and now I'm about to use like 3 drops of blood orange. Let's see, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3.
Wild orange.
Blood orange.
Here we have ready plate with berries. There are Inca berries or golden berries, almonds, there is goji berries and mulberries. And Liza is gonna pour the chocolate on top of the plate. Too hot? Austin. So just make sure it's not too high temperature, because we don't want to denature the cacao or chocolate. Okay. Do you have a...
Yes. No, we use
Perfect. So it's gonna look like this. Now we are gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so, and then chocolate is ready. Thank you, Liza.
Bye.